Today, we're diving into an exciting product that promises to blend style, comfort, and functionality seamlessly. We're talking about the set of 4 PVC Faux leather rolling Swivel Salon Stool chairs, a game changer for anyone in the market for reliable and comfortable seating solutions. Let's break down what makes these chairs stand out, shall we? First off, the comfort level of these chairs is something that immediately catches your attention. With an ergonomic curved padded backrest, these chairs are designed to provide optimal support where you need it the most. But it doesn't stop there. The wide seat, crafted from high-quality thick foam, ensures that even the longest sitting sessions won't leave you feeling uncomfortable. Whether you're spending hours in the office, at your salon station, or even engaging in lengthy massage or facial spa sessions, comfort is key, and this set doesn't disappoint. Moving on to the functionality aspect, the 360-degree rotation feature of these stools is a standout. It allows for effortless movement and interaction in any direction, perfect for busy environments where multitasking is the norm. The inclusion of lumbar support enhances the user experience further, providing a sense of freedom and ease that's often missing in traditional seating options. Adjustability is another crucial factor, and here, these stools excel. The height adjustment mechanism is smooth and intuitive, allowing you to find your perfect seating height with ease, ranging from about 18.9 to 22.4 inches. This feature ensures that the stools can cater to a wide range of users and settings, making them incredibly versatile. Durability and safety are, of course, paramount, and it's clear that the manufacturers have taken this into account. The gas rod of the stool is certified by Germany TÜV, reflecting a commitment to safety and reliability. Paired with a high-strength steel frame, these chairs promise stability and resistance to wear, ensuring they're a long-lasting addition. Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.